Did you know that there's something about dates that helps promote healthy labor if you eat them leading up to your delivery date? Yeah, for real, it's not just an old wives' tale. Stuffed with peanut butter and sprinkled with dried coconut, they're also delicious. This is just a few days before I'm due. Dad's up monkeying in the tree, trying to cut down the largest last branch of this old tree. So he cut a nice angle in the branch, but neither of us were strong enough to pull it down. So he hooked it up to the lawnmower, and that finally did the trick. Let's see it again in slow-mo. Branch is down and nobody got hurt. Yay, Dad!
You want it? You want to get Dad's cheek?
Oh wow, we're gonna have some strawberries this year. Woo, very soon. And nothing's growing here but weeds yet, but I suspect there'll be some volunteer ground cherries. And then here, look, our asparagus patch. Go asparagus, go! That big branch was riddled with carpenter ants. So before we cut any more and the carpenter ants run to our house, we're gonna have to treat that whole big stump for carpenter ants. After being a passenger for quite a while, Ezra spontaneously decided she would like to try to drive the truck. She did pretty well for her first time, especially considering her feet don't hit the pedals unless she scooted forward.
This is man's work.
But Donna said, no, this is man's work.
Who says that? Do you remember?
Sure.
Was it Donner? Who's Rudolph's dad?
It's the day before induction day, and I just want to show off what I did for postpartum meal prep this year. We have very limited freezer space, but I do have a canner, and a pressure canner. That's this thing down here. And I have been loving it. So here's what I've got. Cream of mushroom soup, ground beef, ham, 16 bean soup, Mexican pinto beans. This is a taco mix of ground beef and beans. This is homemade granola, vacuum sealed. This is a base for chicken noodle soup. And these are white beans, great white northern beans, kidney beans. I forget what that is back in there. And this is a really hearty meat sauce for pasta. And down here we have more beans, peaches from last year, some cooked carrots, applesauce, more chicken noodle base. This is beef and onions, more beans. I think this is a bean soup situation. Some more fruit. This is sausage and gravy already. Canned strawberries for like pancake toppings and stuff. More beef and vegetables. This is canned chicken breast. And more like, oh, ham and bean soup, and whatever this says up here. Oh, this is a chicken noodle. Yum! Hi, big girl! You're on your big bike.
You want to try your pedal bike?
All right, we're at the hospital. Okay, so the induction appointment was at 8 o'clock this morning, and the Pitocin's been pumping for about a half an hour now. It's almost 11 o'clock. I started out 3 centimeters dilated and 80% effaced. The doctors are already trying to break my water, but I told them to let's just wait a minute. So hopefully that'll be cool. We'll just have some real contractions, get an epidural, and hopefully everything goes fairly smoothly. Ooh, there's another one starting. What do you think? Are you ready?
Yep. Easy peasy.
Oh, good for you.
Like,
Leaky.
yeah.
I found socks for Fagan because he had a little blister.
Oh.
Ah, you guys are running around a lot.
No.
The star of the show.
Mm-hmm. Here's our celebratory dinner. Artichoke dip, steak, loaded mashed potatoes. We each got one. And some sparkling cider. And desserts. Time to go home, little guy. I don't know. Wait.
Lazy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's little?
No ocean.
You're right about that. He's very little ocean. So you have little hands.
He's a good boy. Now you have 3 children.
It's true. 1, 2, 3.
2, 3.
Are you gonna read him a book?
Yes, I want to. I think I really want to.
Oh, that's nice. You read him a book.
He just gives me a little smile. and then he puts a little smile on my face.
Oh, that's nice.
What's this? No cough. No cough.
He did a little cough.
Yeah. That's him. Oh, he's a good boy.
Yes. And you're a good big brother. And you're a good big sister.
He's sleepy. Are you done with him? No, almost. Almost. Is he like almost? No, almost.
Congratulations! Welcome to the world, Ocean. Can't wait to meet ya.